Simple sketching. Now, many products are composed of a combination of cubes and cuboids, or cuboids and cylinders, or cylinders and other cylinders. Often when lads combine the basic shapes, to draw them a little bit twisted. I've got two cuboids here, so I might draw them so it kind of looks a bit twisted like this, or not connected like this, disconnected. Or sometimes twisted so that the lines are not parallel. So here you can see these lines are not parallel. If we have a product sitting like this, for example, we can see that this line and this line and this line and this line are all parallel. And this line and this line and this line and this line are parallel. So we'll start with a basic cuboid. Y shape. Open book. Parallel, parallel. Parallel. Okay. So this is this box, approximately. I want to draw the green box located on the front corner here. Exactly there. So this line is exactly in line with this line. So I'm going to start here. This is going to be the start of my Y shape. And this one, parallel. And this one is parallel with this. We still go through the same exercise. We've got a new cuboid starting here. I'll go over it a little bit heavier. This is the new one here, the green box. Open book. Parallel, parallel. Parallel, parallel, parallel. Parallel, parallel, parallel. Now we can see that the front corners of the boxes are connected here. The front faces are in line here. The side faces are in line here. And there is a gap around here. And there is a gap around here. So if I want to do this exercise again, but the box is located in the centre, this is slightly different. We still start Y shape. Open book. Parallel, 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 parallel. Parallel, 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 parallel. Now, this corner is no longer level with this corner. It's set inwards, so my start point is going to be maybe here, because I've got a border here, there's a gap, there's a border here, another gap. So I'm going to start this point, this corner, right here. And the start point's the most important. If you get the start point right, you're likely to finish it right. Y shape. Remember, these like parallel, 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 parallel. Open book. Parallel, parallel, parallel. Parallel, 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 parallel. Parallel, 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 parallel. We have a gap, we have a gap, we have a gap, we have a gap. Gap, 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 gap. All the way around it has a perimeter around it. And if I want this to make this stand out, again, I can use this outlining technique. And the lines that I don't want to see will fade into the background. Try this. All you need is a couple of boxes, the same as me. I've got a screw box and an OXO box here. You can use any sort of box, any sizes even. I'm using small boxes because it's easy to fit on the screen when I'm videoing. But this applies to anything. This could be a building, it could be a machine part. This is very basic at this stage, it's only cubes and cuboids. But the positioning is important. That make sure that you're not drawing twisted like this. If these lines are not parallel, you will draw a twisted box. Have a go.